Welcome, my friends, to a truly delicious adventure. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to explore the vibrant tapestry that is Filipino cuisine. It's a world of flavors, stories, and traditions waiting to be discovered. This incredible food culture isn't just about taste, it's a living history. Filipino cuisine has been woven from centuries of diverse influences, each thread adding richness and complexity to its unique character. It truly reflects the nation's past. The shaping of this cuisine is a testament to cultural exchange. From ancient trade routes to colonial periods, every interaction has left an indelible mark on the ingredients, techniques, and dishes we cherish today. It's a beautiful blend of global heritage. At its very heart, Filipino food embodies a deep-rooted connection to family and community. Meals are not merely sustenance, they are celebrations, gatherings, and expressions of love. Food is the language of togetherness in every Filipino home. Our exploration today will be comprehensive, tracing this culinary evolution from its historical roots right up to its modern interpretations. We'll uncover how traditions have been preserved and how they continue to adapt. It's a fascinating progression. The diverse influences are truly remarkable. Spanish, Chinese, Malay, and American cultures have all contributed significantly to the Filipino palate. Each has introduced new ingredients, cooking methods, and flavor profiles that have been expertly integrated. The result is a truly unique blend of flavors and techniques that you won't find anywhere else. It's a harmonious fusion where distinct elements come together to create something entirely new and exciting. This fusion is the cuisine's signature. Food serves as a central element of family gatherings, making every occasion special. Birthdays, holidays, or just a simple Sunday lunch become memorable events centered around a table laden with delicious dishes. These moments build lasting bonds. Beyond the home, food also plays a vital role in community celebrations. Festivals, fiestas, and town events are incomplete without an abundance of shared meals. It's how communities connect, celebrate, and express their collective identity. One of the most exciting aspects of Filipino cuisine is its incredible regional variations. These differences truly enrich the culinary experience, offering endless discoveries for the adventurous eater. Every province tells a different food story. Each area boasts its own distinct culinary identity, shaped by local ingredients and traditions. For example, the Bicol region is renowned for its fiery, spicy dishes, often featuring coconut milk and chili. Their flavors are bold and unforgettable. In contrast, the Visayas region, with its abundant coastlines, is famous for its seafood-centric cuisine. Fresh catches are prepared simply, allowing their natural flavors to shine through. It's a testament to the bounty of the sea. To truly appreciate Filipino cooking, we must understand its core, the essential flavors and techniques that define it. This is where the magic happens, where simple ingredients transform into extraordinary meals. It's a delicate balance. Filipino cuisine relies heavily on fresh ingredients sourced locally whenever possible. The emphasis is on natural flavors, allowing the quality of the produce, meats, and seafood to speak for themselves. Freshness is paramount. Aromatic herbs are also fundamental, adding depth and fragrance to countless dishes. Garlic, onions, and ginger form the holy trinity of Filipino cooking, providing a foundational layer of savory goodness. Their presence is unmistakable. Beyond fresh ingredients, a symphony of sauces is crucial to the Filipino palate. These aren't just condiments, they are integral components that build layers of taste. They provide the finishing touch that elevates every dish. The iconic flavors of Filipino food are characterized by a masterful balance of multiple tastes. It's a dynamic interplay where no single flavor dominates, but rather they complement each other beautifully. This harmony is key. Sour notes are incredibly prominent, often derived from vinegar or tamarind. This tanginess provides a refreshing counterpoint to rich dishes, cutting through fattiness and awakening the palate. It's a signature characteristic. Salty notes are equally important, typically coming from soy sauce or fish sauce known as patis. These provide umami depth and seasoning, enhancing the savory qualities of the food. They are indispensable pantry staples. Sweet notes, whether from sugar or natural fruit, add another dimension to the flavor profile. They can balance the sourness, temper the saltiness, or simply provide a delightful contrast. Sweetness is often subtle, but impactful. Finally, savory notes, primarily from garlic, onions, and various meats, form the backbone of many dishes. This deep, satisfying richness is what makes Filipino food so comforting and incredibly satisfying. It's the soul of the cuisine. Understanding these core elements is key to appreciating the depth and complexity of Filipino cuisine. Once you grasp this balance, you begin to unlock the secrets behind its irresistible appeal. It's a journey of discovery for your taste buds. Now let's dive into the heart of Filipino culinary heritage, the classic dishes. These are the cornerstones, the beloved staples that define the cuisine for many. They are dishes steeped in history and tradition. First, there's adobo, arguably the most famous Filipino dish. It's a savory braised meat, typically chicken or pork, cooked in vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, and peppercorns. Its rich, tangy, and salty flavor is utterly addictive. Adobo is more than just a recipe, it's a cooking method, and every family has its own cherished version. It's a dish that truly embodies the Filipino spirit of adaptability and resourcefulness. It's a national treasure. Then we have sinigang, a sour and tangy soup that is incredibly comforting and invigorating. It's often made with tamarind as the souring agent, combined with various meats or seafood and an assortment of vegetables. It's a perfect balance of flavors. Sinigang is a dish that truly cleanses the palate and warms the soul. Its bright, zesty broth is incredibly refreshing, making it a favorite, especially on a cool day or when you need a pick-me-up. It's a taste of home. Next is kare-kare, a rich peanut stew that is both hearty and uniquely flavorful. It features oxtail, tripe, and various vegetables, all simmered in a thick, savory peanut sauce. It's often served with a side of bagoong, fermented shrimp paste. Kare-kare is a dish that showcases the depth of Filipino flavors, combining savory, nutty, and slightly sweet notes. It's a labor of love to prepare, but the reward is a truly satisfying and memorable meal. It's a celebration on a plate. And of course, we cannot talk about Filipino classics without mentioning lechon. This is a crispy roasted pig, slow cooked to perfection until its skin is incredibly crackling and its meat is tender and juicy. It's the ultimate celebratory dish. Lechon is often the centerpiece of grand feasts and special occasions, a symbol of abundance and joy. Its preparation is an art form, resulting in a dish that is as visually stunning as it is delicious. It's a true culinary spectacle. Each of these dishes reflects centuries of history and cherished traditions. They tell stories of resilience, adaptation, and the enduring love for good food shared among loved ones. They are more than just recipes, they are cultural narratives. I wholeheartedly encourage you to explore these classics through home cooking. There are countless recipes available, and the process of creating these dishes yourself is incredibly rewarding. It's a wonderful way to connect with the culture. Alternatively, if cooking isn't your forte, I urge you to explore by dining at Filipino restaurants. Many establishments around the world now proudly serve these traditional dishes, offering an authentic taste of the Philippines. Support these culinary ambassadors. While the classics are undeniably delicious, the true depth of Filipino cuisine lies in its lesser-known regional specialties. This is where the adventurous palate truly gets to shine, uncovering unique flavors and traditions. Uncovering these hidden gems showcases the incredible diversity of the country's culinary landscape. Each region, island, and even town has its own unique dishes, often unknown outside their local communities. It's a treasure hunt for food lovers. These regional dishes often highlight unique ingredients that are indigenous to specific areas. From rare herbs to distinct seafood or local produce, these ingredients contribute to flavors that are truly one of a kind. They tell a story of place. They also showcase unique cooking techniques passed down through generations. These methods, often adapted to local resources and climate, add another layer of authenticity and character to the dishes. It's culinary craftsmanship. For instance, consider dishes like La Paz Bachoy from Iloilo, a hearty noodle soup with pork offal and cracklings, or Kinilaw, the Filipino ceviche, which varies wildly from region to region based on the local vinegar and seafood. There's also pinakbet, a vegetable stew from the Ilocos region known for its bitter melon and bagoong monaman, fish paste. Each bite offers a glimpse into the local agricultural bounty and culinary preferences. It's truly diverse. Don't forget dishes like sisig from Pampanga, a sizzling, savory dish made from chopped pig's head and liver, seasoned with calamansi and chili. It's a perfect example of Filipino ingenuity and a true crowd pleaser. Exploring these lesser-known dishes encourages adventurous palates to discover the full spectrum of flavors that Filipino cuisine has to offer. It's an invitation to step outside your comfort zone and be richly rewarded. This journey beyond the classics reveals the true richness and complexity of Filipino food. It shows that there's always something new and exciting to taste, learn, and appreciate. The culinary adventure never truly ends. So next time you're exploring Filipino food, ask about the regional specialties. Seek out the dishes that aren't on every menu. You might just discover your new favorite flavor. It's a rewarding quest. Filipino cuisine is not static, it's a living, evolving entity. Modern techniques and global trends are continuously influencing the culinary landscape, pushing boundaries and inspiring new creations. It's an exciting time for Filipino food. This dynamic evolution is leading to innovative interpretations of traditional dishes. Chefs are experimenting with presentation, ingredients, and cooking methods while still honoring the authentic flavors. It's a beautiful blend of old and new. We are witnessing the remarkable rise of Filipino food worldwide. What was once considered a niche cuisine is now gaining mainstream recognition and adoration. Its unique flavors are captivating palates across continents. This global recognition is further cemented by the success of Filipino chefs and restaurants around the world. From Michelin-starred establishments to bustling food trucks, Filipino culinary talent is making its mark. They are true pioneers. Their achievements are a testament to the growing popularity and undeniable appeal of Filipino cuisine. It's a proud moment for a food culture that has long deserved its place on the global stage. The world is finally taking notice. This growing presence means more opportunities for everyone to discover the vibrant world of Filipino cuisine. It's becoming more accessible, inviting more people to experience its warmth, its history, and its incredible flavors. It's also an invitation to celebrate the ever-evolving world of Filipino cuisine. It's a cuisine that respects its past while eagerly embracing its future, constantly innovating and delighting. It's a testament to its enduring spirit. This culinary journey promises to be incredibly delicious, filled with unforgettable tastes and aromas. Each dish tells a story, each flavor evokes a memory, and each meal is an experience to savor. Prepare your taste buds for delight. More than just delicious, this journey is also deeply enriching. It offers a window into the heart of Filipino culture, its people, and its history. Food is a powerful bridge, connecting us to traditions and communities. So, whether you're a seasoned food enthusiast or just beginning your culinary exploration, I invite you to dive deep into the world of Filipino cuisine. It's a journey that will nourish your body and your soul. Enjoy every single bite.